If you are thinking of getting into the music business, before hitting the record button and before releasing a song, you must learn the language of the industry. Because if you do not know these terms, you can get confused or taken advantage of. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new here, I am Vatsal and I'm an artist, songwriter and music producer, and in this video, I'm explaining terms that I think every musician or artist should know before starting their music career. So without wasting any second, let's dive right into it. Number one is royalty. The money you earn from your music being sold, streamed, or performed is royalty. There are several kinds of royalties: mechanical royalties, performance royalties, sync royalties, etc. Number two is publishing. Publishing rights are the rights to your songwriting. Owning publishing means you can control where and how your songs are used. Number three is master rights. The recording itself, yes, the file you have exported from your DAW, the mastered version of your song, is called master. And the rights you own is master rights. The owner of the master receives payment when the song is streamed or sold. Number four is sync licensing. Getting your music placed in movies, ads, TV shows, etc. comes under sync licensing. You can make a lot of money in this particular market, but the bigger the market, the more competitive it is. Number five is mechanical royalties. This means earning from the reproduction of your music or the piece of music or your song, like downloads or physical copies, like CDs, DVDs, vinyls. Next up is performance royalties. These are earned when your song is played live, on radio, or in general on streaming. These are the royalties collected by your PROs, Performance Rights Organization. Agencies like BMI, IPRS, or ASCAP collect these royalties on your behalf. Next up is distributor. These are generally the companies or website you use to release your music on Spotify, Apple Music, or other streaming platforms. Some examples are DistroKid, TuneCore, Madverse, etc. Next up is advance. This is the upfront money a label or publisher gives you, but it's not free. It gets recouped from your earnings, which brings us to recoupment. This is the process of paying back the advance money that your label or your publisher gave you before you see actual profits or money for your own self. Next up is split sheet, a document showing percentage ownership between collaborators on a song, and this one is really crucial to avoid disputes later. Next one is metadata. This is the information embedded in your track, and you need this one for correct royalty collection. Title of your song, writers, UPC codes, ISRC codes, etc. are all metadata. So make a document in Sheets or Excel, and please, I would highly recommend you to collect all of this information and keep it safe at one place. Next up is ISRC. It is the unique digital fingerprint or ID for your particular song. This is needed for tracking plays and royalties. And a fun tip, if you're not able to access your ISRC codes from your distributor, you can still get your ISRC code. Just head over to isrcfinder.com, search for the artist or song name, and there you have it. And last up for this video is a 360 deal. So this is a kind of record deal where your label takes a percentage not only from your music sales, but from your tours, your merch, your endorsements, etc. And this is because they have given you the advance, the upfront money, which they will now recoup from your earnings. So these are some terms that I think every musician or artist when they're starting out should know. Because if you do not know these terms, you're gonna get confused or taken advantage of in the music game. So this was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Do let me know in the comments down below if I've missed something or which of these terms were totally new to you. Also subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you next time. Peace.